Hello, and welcome back to another Python tutorial. Today we got another user's question. And this question is from Jim Bass, and we're going to go ahead and answer this question. I'm trying to make a simple program run, print hello world, print hello, or how are you? I'm sorry. And I'm guessing he wants the user to return a answer, I am fine, and he wants to print I'm fine. The problem is when I go to write print I'm fine, I'm running into trouble. I know there's something very simple, but I'm new to this. Anyone please help. So Jim, good news is we're here to help, and we'll hopefully help you understand this. So we're going to write a basic script in Python. Let's go ahead and create a new file here in PyCharm. I'm going to call it, let's call it hello world. Alright, .py. Alright, so let's go ahead, and since the first thing Jim wants to do is print hello world. So let's do that. Print and a string hello world. Alright. Then the next thing Jim wants to do is he wants to ask the user, how are you? Now, we could do a print statement like this and say, how are you? But this is kind of like repeating ourselves because we need to get the user's input from what I read from Jim here. So instead of using print, we're going to use input. And we're going to set this value, set this input, give this input a variable, or a variable to represent the input that the user gives. So we're going to say reply is equal to input, and then in here we'll say how are you? Alright, question mark. And I always put a space here because this will space give room when you'll see what I mean. Give room from where the user inputs their answer. Alright, and then we want to print the reply. So Jim wants to print what the user replies, so we'll just do print reply. Alright, pretty simple. Let's go ahead and run our program here. Python 3 hello world.py says hello world, how are you? And I'm going to say I'm fine, and it prints I'm fine. So there you go, Jim. That's how you do that. If you have any other questions, please let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you out.